Alrighty, Sharp Customs. We did not get out yesterday. It was wet weather here in southern Ontario. As you can see, we got the GT40 out. We're going to give it a little run. Hopefully all goes well. Hopefully we can do some donuts. Probably just be a short little run. Hopefully we don't bash into, we're just in a very small little parking lot across the street from my house. Hopefully we don't bash into any walls. There's only one vehicle here. I'm going to stay away from that, obviously. I did do some changes that I explained in one of the other videos. I got some smaller wheels on the front, a little thinner. They're foamies, a little grippier. Hopefully the backs are, you know, they're rubber. And I say enough talking, let's do some driving. I say let's fire it up and see what we can do. Well, I hope you got that on camera.
I think so.
That just hit me like right in the foot, almost took me, well, it did take me off my feet. Those are the trials and tribulations of doing this kind of stuff. Great work. My glass. See that? They're right there. They're right there. You see that? They just ran over my glasses. Yeah, I'm going to get in front of the camera. As you can see, the parking lot's pretty rough. We ran over some rocks. We got some potholes. We like to put it through its paces. Let's carry on. That's what I say. I thought we could go through the puddle. I thought we could go through the puddle, you know, like a rainstorm. I thought we would make it. I say we We'll get her going. Don't worry. She sucked up some water. Not a big deal. I did not think that that was going to happen, believe it or not. Now I put a clip, put an O-ring on the front. See how the front's moving around a wee bit? We could be dead in the water, literally. Not much water inside of it, but you know how these things act. They act a little funky when the motors get wet. It's getting lots of fuel. What are you gonna do, eh? What are you gonna do?
It definitely didn't like the water.
Yeah, I didn't like the water. It did not like the water one bit whatsoever. I don't have a spark plug wrench. That would probably be the cure. We didn't get to run it. We didn't get to do any major donuts. Radio's fine. It's not even really wet inside. I should have just tried pulling it a few more times. We're going to run it some more. Like I always say, a little short video. Let's just run it. Gotta get the water worked on. not really sure. Something came off down there. I'm thinking it was a tire liner. I think the fuel system's got a little bit of water in it. You know me, I ain't gonna stop. If it runs, it runs. Wow, what are you gonna do, eh? I say fire it up again. Short video. It doesn't like that. I don't know what's going on. I see we're hanging a little low on the one side. Let's go collect the wheel. I see the windshield's coming out. Come on to the car. Come on to the car. We can keep running the car. We can keep running the car. We've got the windshield. It's just a screen, see? It's just aluminum. It was on its way out. Let me walk over here. Here we go. We got a tire liner. We got a tire liner, but we got something else going on here because this whole side of the car, we're gonna have a look and we're gonna do the inspection. You know me, I like to run things. I like to run things hard. Let's have a look. What do we got going on here? The body's fine. It's a little dirty. It's a little wet. What do we got going on here? We've got... Oh, I see what's going on. Oh, look at this. There we go. Just a body mount. We've lost some fasteners to the body mount. That's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. This thing, I think it needs a tune. Not really sure what it is, but Yeah, she needs a tune. That's what she needs. I'm thinking that that pipe that I made for that is not giving it, you know, quite enough oomph. But there you have it. I drive my shit. You got to see it. You know, we lost a tire liner. We lost some bolts, obviously, to the body mount. We ran it through the water. Didn't think that that was really going to affect it, but that's how I treat my RC stuff, man. It's got to perform, man. Donuts, I wanted to do some crazy donuts, but I just can't get the RPM, can't get the performance out of this, you know, this little G23 that's in it. Probably needs just a little bit of a tweak, but you got to see it skip across some stones and through some water and do some donuts and do all kinds of crazy stuff. And one thing I don't see anybody else out there in the quarter scale world doing this to their RC stuff, man. They just don't do it. So, that being said, should I fire it up and do some more donuts? I think I should. Just before I sign off. I have to. I know I said it was going to be short, but I got to see if this sucker will do some more donuts. I have to. Okay. Right now, all I want to do is throw my controller over there to the car. It's not the controller's fault. It's a good controller. We'll just leave it at that. I'll do some tweaking on that carburetor, and I'll get it. So it does repetitive donuts. This is kind of the stuff we're dealing with. Look at this. We picked this stuff up, chunks of asphalt, but there you have it. Said I was going to take the GT40 out. Didn't say I was going to abuse it, but it did. Almost hit the wall, as you saw, a few times. Good thing for brakes, eh? But that's our video. That's our content. Sharp Custom. Share, like, subscribe. I hope you like the craziness. That's our video for tonight. Peace. I'm out.